Here's a walkthrough on my whitewater pinball machine that I've rebuilt. The cabinet and the head were fully stripped back to bare wood. It's been painted. See a 100-watt subwoofer there. Transformers all been painted. Cab's been painted. The floor's been cleared. Side artwork. A lot of times have been spent on that bloody lockdown bar. That was manky as hell. Coin doors been powder coated with a black hammer tone finish. All new artwork, of course. The legs have been re-chromed, as well as the lockdown bar. The side rails are brand new, highly polished. All the mechanics in it have been fully rebuilt or replaced in some cases. There's a new subway ramp. That vertical upkick has been replaced in mine. The whole wiring harness was hand tied some years ago by me, and all the connectors have been labelled.
You better feed me, I am very, very hungry.
Had the hinges chrome too. Chroming just makes it look awesome. I haven't put the lockdown bar on.
Get closer to the aircon, Becky. Pretty boy. What? One closer to the aircon. Can you get back? No, he's not. I want to use
So the artwork's been replaced. It's got a new 3D Translite. The camera won't show up the 3D very well. Colour LCD display, 3-way speakers, new CPU board, new display driver board, new driver board and power supply. All the electrolytic capacitors in the entire game have been changed. All LED lights except for the topper. Brand new Playfields, all LED lights. There's another 17 additional LEDs placed around the game. See, the mountains are lit. That was never lit from standard. Bigfoot's cave's lit up. There's an extra LED down in there. The Hotfoot targets are lit. Rear mountains are lit. There's an extra LED. Whoops. I keep forgetting my big grizzly. Putting it back. He just sits on a bit of double-sided tape. I haven't got a new glass yet, so I haven't shown you the glass. The underneath of the machine's been painted. Not sure how well the back will show up. Not going to see into the back of it. It's painted with a clear coat over the top. So that's about it. Lots of hard work, but it's come out very nice. It's not quite dark, but it looks awesome at night. The camera doesn't do it justice. The camera shows up the white and the blues really big. It's not like that in real life, I can assure you, but rivet targets are purple. Sorry, the multiplier's purple and the rivet targets are blue. Made the rafts orange so they really stand out. Wet Willie's has got a custom twin LED in it that I put in because it's quite big. There's extra lighting all up in the back there.